Selling your home for the most amount of money while making the process stress-free is possible. With a hands-on approach, here are a few unique ways I help to accomplish this. First, I not only find out what your needs are, but also your home's needs. I have a pre-inspection performed and work on items that might pop up. Completing items for my pre-inspection will give you better offers and a smoother escrow period. And if we need professionals to complete these items, I will hire them. Next, I prepare your home's appearance. Curb appeal, decluttering, staging, and cleaning all the final touches so your home is marketed in the best light. Marketing as well as pre-marketing is key. Attracting the most amount of buyers will ensure your home reaches its full potential. Unlike other agents, I don't have a set commission rate. My fees are based off of your home's needs and what services I will provide. My job isn't over when an offer is accepted. Up until the closing of your home and after, I am here every step of the way to make the process as seamless as possible. So, when you're ready, let's start this journey together.